I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you need to unlink a bank account from your Visa account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Visa account. Open your web browser and go to the Visa website. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. Once logged in, look for the payment methods section in the main menu. Click on it to view your linked accounts. Step 3. Select the bank account. In the payment methods section, find the bank account you want to unlink. Click on the Edit or Manage option next to it. Step 4. Unlink the account. After selecting the bank account, look for the option that says Unlink or Remove. Click on it and confirm your choice when prompted. Step 5. Verify changes. Return to the Payment Methods section to ensure the bank account has been successfully removed. If it is still listed, try refreshing the page. If you run into any issues, make sure to check for any pending transactions that might be preventing the unlinking process. Good luck, and I hope this helps you manage your Visa account more easily.